Welcome back, children. In the first video, I just explained you message writing as well as the format of message writing, children. What is a message? Children, a message refers to a piece of information that you can write down for a person who is not present at that time. You cannot contact them directly. Message can be both written or oral. Children, the format of message writing is, first of all, the word message should be in capital letters on the front part, that is in the center. Then comes the date, children, on left hand side. Right hand side, time comes adjacent to each other. Then comes salutation, dear sir, dear ma'am, dear mother, dear father. Then the content, that is called the body of the letter. At last comes the name, who is writing the message writing, the sender. Now let's read some examples to make it more clear. Children, you have to note it in your classwork notebook, and remember that I will ask you to do some questions in the query time, so that I also know that you have understood the topic or not. Okay? So take out next page, that is page number 240. Read the first question. Children, the question says, first one, Kiran had a conversation with her mother's friend Sudha. Since she was going out, immediately she left a message for her mother. Read the conversation and write out the message in not more than 50 words. Who had the conversation, children, on telephone? Kiran, with her mother's friend Sudha. So Kiran called Sudha. Sudha is her mother's friend. So what is the message? Let us read, children. The telephonic conversation, that is the question, children. Sudha, hello, this is Sudha speaking. Could I talk to Kamini? Kiran is answering, she has gone out, auntie. Sudha is saying now, when is she likely to return? Kiran is now answering, not before 6 in the evening. Can I take your message? Sudha is now giving the message, the main body of the message, children. Yes, please. Could you tell her that I have been able to make the appointment with the editor of the magazine, Outlook. We have to meet her at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Since Kamini doesn't know the place, I shall come and pick her up at 9 a.m. She should bring the articles she wants to get published in the magazine. Main thing, the body of the letter, body of the message, that they have the appointment with the editor of the magazine name is Outlook, that they have to meet her at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. As she do not know, her mother do not know, she doesn't know the place, I shall means Sudha will come and pick her up at 9 a.m. She should bring all the relevant things, the relevant articles she want to get published in the magazine. So what is the message now? How you will write, children? In the space provided, write the message above. Date, today's date, 25th August 2021, 9 a.m. Dear Mom, I received a call from Mrs. Sudha when you were out. She asked me to inform you about an appointment with the editor of the magazine, Outlook. She will come and pick you up at 9 a.m. tomorrow. You are to meet the editor with the articles you want to get published in the magazine. At last, who is writing the message? The sender is Kiran. At last, remember to make a box. Easy? Understood? First, read the telephonic conversation, understand it, recall it in your own words, then draft a message, children. Very easy. Now, the second examples we are reading. Read the following telephonic conversation between Shalu and Rajan. Telephonic conversation is between Shalu and Rajan. The call was for Rajan's sister Rani. As Rajan was going out immediately, he left a message. Write the message in not more than 50 words. Now, who is going out? Rani was not there. The message is for Rani, Rajan's sister, and Rajan is going out. So he left the message for Rani. Now let's read the question, children. Shalu, hello, could I speak to Rani? Rajan, may I know who is speaking? Rani has gone out. Here is her brother's Rajan. Now Rajan is saying, I am his brother. She is not at home. She has gone out. Shalu, I am her friend Shalu. Could you tell her that one of our friends, Tina, has met with an accident and is admitted in Janta Hospital? Which hospital, children? Janta Hospital. Now the message is starting. The content of message, the body of the message is starting. Rajan, oh, how unfortunate. Shalu, tell her that I am leaving for the hospital as the visiting hours are between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Rajan, I will definitely convey the news. Shalu, what is she saying? Also tell her to inform Lalit about telephone number I am not sure of. Rajan, I will do it. Shalu, thank you. Now children, you have to draft a message yourself. Now how will you start, children? Message in capitals, today's date, then the time. Okay. Dear Rani, you will write the message now. Shalu called up to inform that Tina has met with an accident and is admitted to Janta Hospital. She will reach the hospital at 5 p.m. She also wants you to inform Lalit. Who is writing, children? The sender is the message. Who has written the message is Rajan. What he has written to his sister? That Shalu called up to inform that Tina has met with an accident and is admitted to Janta Hospital. She will reach the hospital at 5 p.m. She also wants you to inform Lalit about the accident. At last, who writes the message? Rajan. Clear, children? I hope you all have understood. Read the third example and try to do yourself. Okay? Now, children, in the query time, I will give you some examples to write in the rough copy and you have to send me in the pic in the time provided. So, better understand the topic well. Do watch the videos carefully for your better understanding so that you can write the message, any sort of message yourself. Remember to form the box. You have to make a box at the end, at last. When you complete your message writing, you have to write, you have to draw a box. You have to write the message in the box. Clear, everyone? In the query time, I will give you some questions. You will write the answers and remember at the end only you will send me so that others also do it themselves without cheating. Okay? Watch videos carefully. Ask your doubts in the query session, children, provided to you. Sorry once again. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.